I think we've taken on a lot, but we're going to make it work.
We show you how a rain garden can help Florida's waterways.
Hey, you gotta tear it up before you put it back together.
Have you ever done anything like this?
Not in one day.
We install large porcelain tile over concrete pavers.
I'm not nervous. I have the best team.
Then it's potted plant 101.
They thrive on being ignored.
That is my kind of plant.
We refresh old flower beds.
Make sure you've got plants in the front that are lower
Yeah.
so they graduate up, so the ones you really love aren't lost in the back.
We upgrade an irrigation system to save water
It is definitely a more efficient way to water landscaping.
and how to manage those wild weeds.
Really, a weed is just any plant that's out of place.
Of course, the usual chaos
It's a madhouse. It's crazy.
and the reveal.
All this and more on Flip My Florida Yard.